If it is in the form of 2 by 5, the sequence will be in the form of 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. They have given that fifth term is 4 times the third term. That means fifth term means A5 is 4 times the third term, that is A3. If I take AR as a common factor, I'll get 1 minus R square is equal to 18. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So here in this session, we'll be continuing the problems on the geometric progression and the series, and we will take up few problems on the arithmetic and geometric mean between any two numbers. Let's look at the first problem now. The sum of first three of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. So here we have the sum of the first three terms. As I said in my previous session, we usually take the first three terms as A by R, A and AR, because it will be easier for the simplification. So let me take the first three terms in this form. They have given the sum of these three terms is equal to 39 by 10 and their product is equal to 1. So I can cancel R and R. I'll get A cube is equal to 1. This implies the value of A is equal to 1. If I take this as an equation 1, if I substitute the value of A as 1 here, I'll get from equation 1 this as 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 by 10. So multiplying with R, I'll get this as R plus R, this one R square and this is R, and this can be written as 1. So I have rearranged it. So R square plus R plus 1 is equal to 39 R divided by 10. So on solving this, we will get the quadratic equation, that is 10R square minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation we will get here. So on solving this quadratic equation, we will get 2R minus 5, 5R minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies R is equal to 5 by 2 or R is equal to 2 by 5. So we have got R as 5 by 2 and 2 by 5. So let's see the first term. So case 1, when R is equal to 5 by 2 and A is equal to 1, because we got the value of A is equal to 1 there. So let's take it as A by R. So 1 by 5 by 2. So therefore the terms are 2 by 5, 1 and AR is 5 by 2. Case 2 we get it as when R is equal to 2 by 5 and A is equal to 1. So therefore the terms here can be written as 5 by 2, comma 1, comma 2 by 5, which are one and the same. So either when it depends on the fraction of R. If it is in the form of 5 by 2, the sequence will be in the form of 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. If it is in the form of 2 by 5, the sequence will be in the form of 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. So let's look at the next question now. How many terms of GP 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4 are needed to give the sum 120? So here they have given Sn is equal to 120 and A is given as 3. Clearly you can see the common ratio for the next term, that is R is also 3 here. Now they have given Sn is equal to 120. Since my R is greater than 1, I can write this as A R to the power minus n divided by R minus 1 is equal to 120. So here 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. 3 minus 1 is 2. So cross multiplying. So here when you multiply, this becomes 3 to the power n plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 120 into 2, which becomes 240. So 3 to the power n plus 1 is equal to 243. Now 3 to the power n plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 5. So because 243 can be expressed in terms of powers of 3 as 3 power 5. Since bases are same, powers can be equated. So this implies n plus 1 is equal to 5. So therefore n is equal to 4. So therefore when you add 4 terms, that is first 4 terms, then you will get the sum as 120. Next question, the sum of first 3 and the sum of terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of the next 3 terms is 128. Determine the first term, the common ratio and the sum of n terms of the GP. So first terms are A plus AR plus AR square, which is 16. Next they have given next 3 terms, that is AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5 is equal to 120. So here, if I take here R cube as a common factor, I'll get this as A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 120. So this is actually 16 given. So R cube into 16 is equal to 120. R cube is equal to, so this is 128, not 120. So 128 divided by 16 is equal to 8. So therefore R cube is equal to 2 cube. This implies R is equal to 2. So we got the common ratio as R is equal to 2 now. Now substituting this, let me take this as 1 and this as 2. Suppose I substitute the value of R is equal to 2 in first equation, then equation 1 implies, so we can take A as a common factor there. We get 1 plus R square is equal to 16. So A 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 divided by 7. So this is the first term. So we have found the common ratio as well as the first term. Next is I have to calculate sum of n terms. So Sn is equal to A R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. A we got it as 16 by 7, R we got it as 2. So therefore it is 16 by 7, 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1 only. So therefore Sn can be written as 16 divided by 7 into 2 to the power n minus 1. So this is the sum of n terms of the given GP. Next question is given a GP with A is equal to 729, 7th term is 64, determine S7. So given A is equal to 79, 7th term is 64 means A7 is equal to 64. So what is A7? It is A R to the power 6 is equal to 64. A is given. So R power 6 is equal to 64 divided by 729. So now this can be written as 2 divided by 3 whole to the power 6. Because 2 power 6 is 64, 3 power 6 is 729. Now here powers are equal. So base can be equated. So this implies R is equal to 2 by 3. Now we need to calculate S7. So S7 is A R power 7 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. I know the value of A as 729. This is 2 by 3 whole power 7 minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 minus 1. Now if I solve this, I can write 729 as 3 to the power 6. Here it is 2 power 7 minus 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 7. And in the denominator, we get 2 by 3 minus 1 as minus 1 by 3. So when 3 goes to the numerator, it becomes 3 power 7 into 2 power 7 minus 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 7. So we have minus outside because we have minus in the denominator. So we can cancel it. So the answer is 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7. So the value is 2187 minus 128. So therefore, S7 is equal to 2059. So this is the value for the given question. Next question. Find a GP for which sum of the first two term is minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So here given the first two term is minus 4, that is A plus AR is equal to minus 4, and they have given that fifth term is 4 times the third term. That means fifth term means A5 is 4 times the third term, that is A3. So take this as equation 1. Let's solve this now. A5 means AR power 4 is equal to 4 into AR square. I can cancel A both side, R square and R both sides. I'll get R is equal to plus or minus 2. So based on R is equal to plus 2 and minus 2, if I put R is equal to 2 in equation 1, then if I take A as a common factor, then it is 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. So therefore, A is equal to minus 4 by 3. That is for R is equal to 2. Suppose I take A is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Then A will be equal to minus 1 by minus 4 becomes 4. So these are the two terms. This is when R is equal to 2 and this is when R is equal to minus 2. So based on R and A, we can write the GP. So therefore, the GP when R is equal to 2 and A is equal to minus 4 by 3. So any GP can be written as A, AR, AR square, etc. So this will be our GP. So what is first thing? A minus 4 by 3. AR means you should multiply this. It is minus 8 by 3, comma, again multiply to minus 16 by 3, etc. So this is the GP. Next, and the GP when R is equal to minus 2 and A is equal to 4. So first is A, so 4. Next is AR, 4 2s are minus 8. Next is again minus 8 into minus 2, which is 16, comma, etc. So this is the required sequence for the given two cases. Next I have a question. Find the sum to n terms of the sequence 8, 88, 888, 8088, etc. like this. So we need to find out summation. So let's take 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888 plus etc. until n terms. Divide the equation by 8. I'll get 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 plus etc. up to n terms. Multiply with 9. So it is 9 by 8 Sn is equal to 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 9999 plus etc. until n terms. I can write this as 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 plus 10,000 minus 1 plus etc. until n terms. So this can be written as 10 minus 1 plus 10 square minus 1 plus 10 cube minus 1 plus 10 power 4 minus 1 plus etc. Now take 10 as a sequence and 1 as a sequence. So I'll get 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 power 4 plus up to n terms. Similarly, I have minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. So n times 1 is nothing but n. Here I can apply the geometric summation formula. So this is now 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 and here it is minus n. So I have here 9 by 8 Sn. So now I will get this. So when you shift 9 by 8 to the right hand side, you will get Sn is equal to 8 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. So this is the n terms of the given series. Next question. Find 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9 and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. Let us write the equation first. They have given third term is greater than first term by 9. So let us write the equations first. So they have given third term is greater than first term by 9. So therefore A3 is A plus 9. Next they have given second term is greater than fourth term by 18. So second term A2 is greater than the fourth term by 18. Now let us write the equations here. A3 means AR square is equal to A plus 9 and here AR is equal to AR cube plus 18. So let's take this equation 1 and equation 2. Now from 1, this implies AR square minus A is equal to 9, or I can write A into R square minus 1 is equal to 9. In the second term, I'll get AR minus AR cube is equal to 18. So here, if I take AR as a common factor, I'll get 1 minus R square is equal to 18. Now, I can rearrange this as, if I take minus as a common factor, I get AR into R square minus 1 is equal to 18. So, from this, A into R square minus 1 can be replaced with 9. So, A into R square minus 1 can be replaced with 9. So, here it is minus R into 9 is equal to 18. This implies R is equal to 18 by minus 9. Therefore, R is equal to minus 2. So, this is what I'll get, that is R. So, next I need to find out the value of A. So, substitute in any one of the equation, that is R is equal to minus 2. Take the first equation. We have A R square is minus 2 whole square is equal to A plus 9. So, this is 4A minus A is equal to 9. 3A is equal to 9. So, therefore, A is equal to 3. Now, I need to write down the 4 numbers which is forming the geometric progression. We have R is equal to minus 2, A is equal to 3. So, therefore, the terms or the GP is in the form A comma AR comma AR square comma AR cube. So, this implies that is 3 comma 3 into minus 2 comma 3 into minus 2 square comma 3 into minus 2 cube. So, therefore, the terms are 3 comma minus 6, 12 minus 24. So, these are the 4 terms of the GP. Next, here we come across the problems on AM and GM, that is arithmetic and geometric mean between 2 numbers. Let's see the problems now. Insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. So, clearly 3 and 24, we have 6 different numbers in between 3 and 24. So, this will be my first term because it is in the first place and this is the last place. So, 1 plus 6, 7 and this is in the 8th place. So, that means clearly what we can write, A is equal to 3, A8 is equal to 24. The resulting sequence is an AP they said. So, therefore, A8 can be written as A plus 7D is equal to 24. We got A as 3, 3 plus 7D is equal to 24. We got 7D is equal to 21. So therefore, D is equal to 3. So now we got the first term as 3 and the common difference is 3. So go on adding the 3 to the next term, you will get the sequence. So therefore, the terms are, so first is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So this is the resulting sequence. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers between these two numbers. Next question. Insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. So clearly we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26. That means my first term is 8. Last term is 26 means this is equal to A7 because this is the 7th term. So A7 is equal to 26 means A plus 6D is equal to 26. 8 plus 6D is equal to 26. 6D is equal to 26 minus 8 which is 18. So therefore D is equal to 18 by 6, that is 6 3s are difference is 3. So therefore the numbers are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. And the last term is 26. So this is the resulting AP. Next question. Insert 2 numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is GP. So here 3 we have to insert 2 numbers. 81 will be the 4th term. So therefore A4 is equal to 81. A is equal to 3. A4 can be written as A R cube is equal to 81. So 3 into R cube is equal to 81. R cube is equal to 27 which can be written as 3 cube. So therefore R is equal to 3. That is common ratio is 3 or common multiple is 3. So therefore the resulting numbers, go on multiplying 3, you will get the next 2 numbers. So therefore the numbers are, to the first term multiply 3, 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. So the 2 numbers are 9 and 27. Next question. If AM and GM of 2 positive numbers A and B are 10 and 8 respectively, find the numbers. So they have given the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 2 numbers as 10 and 8. What is the arithmetic mean? It is A plus B divided by 2. What is geometric mean? It is AB. So from this we can write A plus B is equal to 20 and AB is equal to, squaring both sides will get AB is equal to 64. Now I need to find out the value of A and B. So we know the formula, that is A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. Using this formula, A plus B is 20 square. I don't know A minus B. 4 into 64. So this is 400 minus A minus B whole square. So this is 256. So I'll get A minus B whole square is equal to 400 minus 256. So this, when I solve it, I'll get this as A minus B whole square is equal to 144. So therefore A minus B is equal to 12 I can take. So now I have A plus B is equal to 20. Let me take this as equation 1, this as equation 2 and this as equation 3. Now adding equation 1 and equation 3. 1 plus 3, I'll get 2A is equal to, here 20 plus 12, 32. So therefore A is equal to, so here I have to write this as 16. So I got the value of A as 16. Now substituting here, from 1, I get 16 plus B is equal to 20. So therefore, B is equal to 4. Now these are the two numbers. Let's verify whether my answer is correct or not. So let's check the mean. 16 plus 4 by 2, which is 10, correct. Mean 16 into 4 is 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So these are positive numbers. Hence, here no need to take plus or minus 12. Therefore, I have taken A minus B is equal to only 12 here. Hence, my answers or the two numbers are 16 and 4. So, in today's session, we have learned few problems on the geometric progression and the series, and to find or to insert a numbers to form a sequence in a AP or GP. In our next session, we'll meet you with the new concept of the sum of n terms of special series. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.